that the state executive head should be as pious as Maharaja Yudhisthira. That is the scheme. Unfortunately, people do not want that. They have now discovered this demon-cracy, demon-cracy. Shortcut of demon-cracy is democracy. All the demons and rogues, they gather together, somehow or other votes and occupy the seat, and the business is plundering. The business is plundering. If we talk very much upon this, it will not be very favorable. But according to sastra, we talk according to sastra. That the democracy means assembly of rogues and plunderers. That is the statement in the Srimad-Bhagavatam. Dasyu-dharmabhih. The government men will be all dasyu. Dasyu means plunderer, not pickpocket. Pickpocket, somehow or other, you do not understand, take something from your pocket, and the plunderer or the dasyu, he catches you and by force. If you don't spare your money, I shall kill you. They are called dasyu. So, in the present age of Kali, the government men will be dasyu. This is stated in the Srimad-Bhagavatam. Dasyu-dharmabhih. We can see practically. You cannot keep your money. You earn with hard labor, but you cannot keep gold, you cannot keep jewelry, you cannot keep money. They will take it away by law.